Welcome to the video where we'll be exploring the top 10 fun and exciting ways to naturally boost your immune system. No more boring lectures or dull health talks. We're going to make boosting your immune system a joyful experience. With these tips, you'll have a healthier, happier immune system in no time. Sleep to your heart's content. That's right, you heard it. Getting enough sleep is not only essential for your overall health but also for your immune system. So, catch some Z's, snuggle up, and have sweet dreams. Shake a leg. Who said exercise has to be a chore? Put on your favorite music and dance away those pesky germs. Even 10 minutes of movement can do wonders for your immune system and mood. Eat your colors. Your meals don't have to be bland and boring to be healthy. A colorful plate packed with fruits, veggies, and lean proteins is not only Instagram-worthy but also a feast for your immune system. Laugh it up. Laughter is the best medicine, and it's true. Laughter boosts your immune system, reduces stress, and improves your mood. So, watch a funny movie, read a comic, or call that friend who always makes you giggle. Mind your mind. Stress can be a real party pooper for your immune system, so it's essential to take care of your mental health. Meditate, practice yoga, or indulge in a relaxing bubble bath. Your immune system will thank you. Spice it up. Spices aren't just for flavor, they can also help boost your immune system. Turmeric, ginger, garlic, and cinnamon are just a few examples of spices that have anti-inflammatory and immunity-boosting properties. Soak up the sun. Vitamin D is crucial for a healthy immune system, and the best way to get it is from the sun. So, grab a good book, slather on some sunscreen, and soak up those rays. Hydrate like a boss. Drinking water is vital for flushing out toxins and keeping your body functioning optimally. But who says hydration has to be dull? Add some fruit, herbs, or even some bubbles to your water for a tasty, immune-boosting treat. Take a deep breath. Deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress and improve your lung function. So, take a moment to inhale deeply and exhale all your worries away. Get your beauty sleep. Last but not least, beauty sleep isn't just for your looks. Sleeping is essential for your immune system, so don't skimp on it. Plus, who doesn't love waking up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated? Conclusion: boosting your immune system doesn't have to be a tedious task. By incorporating these fun and exciting tips into your daily routine, you'll be well on your way to a healthier, happier immune system. So, go ahead, laugh, dance, and indulge in some colorful meals. Your immune system will thank you, and you'll feel great too.